Are you considering venturing into the food industry? If you are new to the food business and need expert advice on production planning and recipe ideas, or trying to save time and labor costs by transitioning the current production process from manual to automated, increase food production without compromising the original taste and texture of your recipes. If you desire to save time and food costs when developing new products or a production line for a promising consumer market, ANKO provides various solutions. ANKO has more than 40 years of industry experience and owns a collection of 700 plus recipes in ethnic food products. ANKO offers top quality food machinery with expert food scientists that can assist you with professional production analysis and recommendations. ANKO can further optimize the recipes and manufacturing process of your food products. Seamless transition from manual to automated food production. Solve the problem you face during developing new products. And we can customize a line of unique food products for your business. Send an email inquiry or check out our website for more information.